Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Medico's Study Point. So guys, in my previous video lecture, I have finished about anatomy of external ear. In external ear, we have discussed about pinna, external auditory canal and tympanic membrane. So guys, in this lecture, we will be discussing about the anatomy of middle ear. So first of all, I will tell you about that the middle ear, it is a six-fold cavity. So the medial wall, it is the common wall between the middle ear and inner ear. That means it is the innermost layer of the middle ear. Then the lateral wall, it is the common wall between external ear and middle ear. And what is that? It is the tympanic membrane. Then we are having the anterior wall. So anterior wall, it separates middle ear from pharynx. Anteriorly we are having pharynx. Then posterior wall, it separates middle ear from mastoid, because posteriorly we are having the mastoid. And the roof separates the middle ear from middle cranial fossa, that is the temporal bone. And the floor, it separates middle ear from jugular bulb. So guys, one by one we will see all the cavities of the middle ear. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about the medial wall of middle ear. Then we will be discussing about anterior wall, roof, floor. And about the posterior wall, I will be discussing in another video, which I will be uploaded in some days. So in this lecture, we will be focusing about the medial wall of middle ear. So guys, just focus on this picture. As I have made this picture, please see the structures that anteriorly and posteriorly. So in the medial wall, we are having some structures which are present on the medial wall of middle ear. So guys, anteriorly, as you are seeing in this picture, we are having, I'll show you with the pen, just wait. This structure, this. So this structure is known as processus choliarmiformis. So guys, what is the importance of this structure? The tensor tympani muscle takes a turn laterally and attaches to handle of malleus from this processus choliarmiformis. And the another second point is it acts as a landmark for first genu of facial nerve. So guys, as you are seeing from here, that this is the internal acoustic meatus, then this is the root of facial nerve gets and it turns laterally. This is the process choliarmiformis. So it is getting turned laterally from this processus choliarmiformis. This is facial nerve and this is the geniculate ganglion. So this one is the first genu of facial nerve. Then the horizontal segment of the facial nerve. Now you are seeing that facial nerve is between these two structures. What are these? This is the lateral semicircular canal. It is the oval window. It is the round window. So guys, this is the posterior part of the medial wall, and that I am discussing here. It is the anterior part, and the middle one is the promontory. And what do we understand by promontory? It is the basal turn of scala media. So guys, you have to just not mug up these structures, just understand the diagram, and when you will draw this diagram once or twice, then all the structures will be learned and get fixed in your head. So in the anterior part, we are having the processus choliarmiformis. Then above that processus choliarmiformis, we are having the geniculate ganglion of facial nerve. The facial nerve, it comes and it turns, and facial nerve above the choliarmiformis, we are having the first genu of facial nerve. And what is the significance of processus choliarmiformis? We have seen the tensor tympani muscle takes a turn laterally and attaches to the handle of malleus, and it also acts as a landmark for the first genu of facial nerve, as we have seen in this figure. Now on the posterior part of medial wall, we are having three structures. The uppermost structure is the lateral superior circular canal. Below down the lateral superior circular canal, we are having the oval window, and below the oval window we are having the round window. Now between the lateral semicircular canal and oval window, the horizontal part of the facial nerve, or I can say tympanic segment of facial nerve comes. So guys, this is the structure of medial wall which you have to remember. Now we will see the promontory. So as I have told you, what is promontory? It is a bulge produced by basal turn of cochlea. It senses sounds of high frequency. As we will be discussing that in internal ear, I will be telling you about that there, that the basal turn of cochlea, it senses high frequency. Then there is oval window. Oval window, it is covered by footplate of stapes and it connects to vestibule. O for oval, O-V-A-L, oval, V for oval, and V, it connects to the vestibule. Then we are having the round window. It is covered by secondary tympanic membrane and it connects to scala tympani. Then we are having the lateral semicircular canal. It forms a bulge on medial wall. Now we will see the processes. Cochlearmiformis, I have told you the significance there also, but I am discussing here also that it is the projection of bone from cochlea, that is bony cochlear projection. The tensor tympani muscle takes a turn, move laterally and attach to the handle of malleus. It acts as a landmark for first genofacial nerve, and the geniculate ganglion is present on the first genu. Then we have seen the facial nerve. It enters the medial wall through first genu, the horizontal or tympanic segment. It is above the oval window and below the lateral semicircular canal. So guys, this is all about the medial wall of the middle ear. Now we will be discussing about the anterior wall. So guys, anterior wall is also known as carotid wall. Why? Because the carotid artery is present anteriorly to the anterior wall. What are the structures which are present on anterior wall? The first, as we are seeing in this picture, it is the origin of tensor of tympani. Then we are having this is known as what? It is canal of Huggier. Canal of Huggier is what? The chorda tympani exists from here. So guys, please focus. We will be discussing about the posterior wall. From there the chorda tympani gets entry, and from the anterior wall of middle ear the chorda tympani nerve exists from here. And what does it supply? It supplied 2/3 part of anterior, 2/3 part of tongue. Then in the below we are having the eustachian tube, and in front we are having this is the internal carotid artery. So that's why it's also known as carotid wall. The three major structures, that is opening of eustachian tube, opening of tensor tympani muscle, and the opening for chorda tympani, that is by canal of Huggier. So canal of Huggier. Now guys, we will be discussing about the roof. So roof, as you all know, that it separates the middle cranial fossa from the middle ear. So by that through the temporal bone. So it is a bony thin plate of bone that is known as tegmen tympani. So it separates middle ear from temporal lobe. In floor, now please see the structure. Floor, it is also a thin plate of bone. What are the structures which are present in the floor? So guys, please see that in the floor we are having the tympanic plexus, promontory. So in the floor, are you seeing the jugular valve? So from where the jugular valve is formed? The sigmoid sinus gets continues into the jugular valve, and jugular valve, when it comes into the neck, it gets converted into the internal jugular vein in neck. So guys, in internal the jugular valve, behind the jugular valve we are having the 9th, 10th and 11th cranial nerve. Now this 9th cranial nerve, that is glossopharyngeal nerve, gets into the floor of the middle ear, and that branch of 9th cranial nerve is known as Jacobson's nerve, and it is sensory nerve, and it forms the plexus here in the promontory, that is known as tympanic plexus. So Jacobson nerve enter the middle ear through floor, forms tympanic plexus on promontory. Okay guys, so this is about the roof, floor, anterior wall. Now in this, so guys, we have completed in this video about the medial wall of middle ear. You can write the notes from here, so that's why I'm just focusing my camera on the notes. We have finished the anterior wall in this video lecture. We have finished the roof. We have finished the floor. So everything about the floor, roof, anterior, finished about the medial wall. So guys, I am just focusing these images of because you guys only, that you can write your notes from here. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. In our upcoming video we will be discussing about the posterior wall of middle ear, and there we will also discuss about the middle ear cavity, then the nerve supply and some of the other topics also. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. गाइज, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें, और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे कि मेरी अपकमिंग वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंच जाएं. थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर प्लीज़ कीप सपोर्टिंग.